Hi, Leah here with Investors in Action. Just wanted to share some information about how we approach real estate investing with our company. One thing I wanted to share is the power of your team. Now, your team could mean your business partners, it could be your financial friends, it could also mean the people that you hire on staff or on contract. And these are going to be really important people in your world that determine your success. If you have one bad egg in the bunch, it could be a problem. So just make sure that when you're looking at different real estate investments, that you do focus on your team. Now, I'll talk a little bit specifically about my team. I'm really proud of my team and what they represent. When you're looking at partnering with people, I have two business partners, primary business partners, in the self-storage deals that I do. And if all three of you are the same type of person, you're not going to get that far in your business. You're all going to want to do the same things, and you're going to want to ignore the other things that maybe you don't like to do. So breaking that down, I love being with people. I'm the people person. I love being around networking. I love to do the marketing aspects. I love making these videos for you. And so that's what I do best, is the aspects of our business that deal with people, investor relations, training, and so on. Making sure that our tenants are happy, making sure that our property managers are taken care of. I think about the people aspect. My other two partners, they think around operations and systems. Now, if I didn't have partners that were thinking about automation, systems, taxes, making sure payments are going out in either direction on time, making sure that the income is coming in on time, and dealing with the little issues that pop up along the way, we would have some problems. So yes, you can own and run real estate by yourself, but you're going to have to wear a lot of hats. And I have found time and time again, the ultimate value is in having a complementary partner with different skill sets. Now let's talk about the people that you hire on your team. You want to make sure that you hire slowly and fire quickly. Because if somebody is not performing to your company's values and expectations, you need to just let them go. I've heard this phrase, you can't change people, but you can change people, which means you can't change somebody's attitude. You can't change how somebody thinks, but you can change who's working for you. Okay? So keep that in mind when you're hiring people, is make sure that you have really clear expectations so that they can be successful. Detail out exactly what you want them to do and by when you want them to do it. Set goals. You can set an annual goal, quarterly goal. You might have incentive plans for them. But make sure that your people feel well taken care of and good, because your employees are often sometimes your best asset. Now, finally, contractors. When you're hiring somebody for a short period of time or maybe by the project, you want to make sure that you have a crystal clear contract in place when you hire them. Make sure it's in writing and dated. And again, make sure it's very clear as to what the representations and the warranties are for the services that they're providing you. If they don't provide good service, is there some sort of warranty or guarantee that's backing up that they'll come back and fix the issue? Maybe you have, let's say you're doing some massive street repair on your property and they don't do a great job. In a year, there's potholes and cracks and everything where they had just resurfaced the road. It would be a good idea to make sure that they come back and fix those issues. So the team, critical factor. Partnerships, critical factor. Make sure everything is in writing and be clear as to what your expectations and desires are, and you should have much success in your real estate endeavors.